guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to unbox this 1x24 2017 Nissan GT-R R35 by Burago, and the model is really nice for the price. So I bought this model for nearly 1700 rupees, and if you want to buy this, I'll provide the link in the description of this video. And if you're not already, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and you can also follow me on Instagram at miniatureautomobiles for future updates. And let's get started with the video. Okay guys, so hope you enjoyed the video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.